Hello everyone, today I am going to give you 2 drinks for your diabetes, your insulin resistance, whatever it may be. And one of it's going to be a drink, one of it is going to be a tea, and you're going to love it. Now, what are they? Well, I'm going to use a couple different things. Of course, we're going to use some Ceylon cinnamon, right? And we're going to use apple cider vinegar, we're going to use turmeric, and we're going to use ginger. We're going to use some lemon juice, of course, and tea will have a hot water. The other one will have a cold water. But, and I'll show you that right behind me right now. I'm hiding them. The first one, I want to start with the tea because I don't want my water to get cold because I'm going to drink it, after in a second. So the tea has a couple ingredients. Well, turmeric. I'm using turmeric because it's actually very good anti-inflammatory food for you. And we're going to also use the ginger. I already grated this. These are only going to be like 1 teaspoon, okay? So each of them are going to be 1 teaspoon, and we are going to have a tablespoon of lemon juice. And if you can see my little juice in here, I squeezed for you, and for me actually, not for you, but to show you. And I know maybe I'm diabetic, but just a tidbit, just for a taste, it's not gonna kill you. Just to go take a walk after it. So let's get that started. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna need a stirrer here. Let's do that as well. Okay, so let's put the lemon juice first in there. There you go. It already looks good. And then I'm going to put my ginger in there. I'm going to start stirring. And I'm going to put in my turmeric in there. All right. Of course, after you mix all of these, you want a little bit of a honey, just a little touch like this. There you go. And basically, you need to let it sit a little bit like any other tea, right? Enjoy it. So if you don't like it hot, you can let it cool a little bit. And for now, I'm just going to let it sit, and I'm going to drink that after I show you the next drink. That's a great anti-inflammatory drink that will help reduce inflammation. Again, Ceylon cinnamon and apple cider vinegar are the next drinks. I'm using Ceylon cinnamon because it really helps regulate your blood sugar levels. And apple cider vinegar prevents the blood sugar spikes after you eat. If you drink this before your meals, you are going to do really well. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to get my water. So I got my water. So basically, that's easier, especially if you're going to do it before the meal. Faster the better, right? 1 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of the apple cider vinegar. So if you don't put lemon in here, you can do that as well. If you like lemon in things, why not? And you can always use a little bit of a honey if you want to, or stevia or something like that will do great as well, or monk fruit, whatever you like. And then stir it. Stir it well. You can actually use a stirrer, like a cup that you can shake it. That will probably blend them better, faster. Okay, here's my tea. Looks great. Oh yeah, that tastes real good. A little, of course, there's a little tangy taste to it, but it's nothing that you cannot get used to. It's awesome. You can always filter the residue if you don't like things in the tea. You can always filter what is staying on top. But that's the other drink we just did, apple cider vinegar and Ceylon cinnamon. If you don't like a lot of water, you can always make it like a little shot, like you can make it a lot less water as long as you get the Ceylon cinnamon and apple cider vinegar in. The only problem with the apple cider vinegar is if you don't use enough water though, it may affect your teeth. So you have to make sure that if you're making a shot, don't use all the apple cider vinegar at once. But if you're going to use a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, at least have a cup of water with it so your teeth is not affected. And then make sure you eat food after that because you don't want to have highly acidic stuff in your stomach sitting there without any other food coming in. That may cause some other stomach problems, etc. But anyhow, that's a great drink. Make sure you drink before every meal. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.